Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer image from Android to iPhone. So simply at first connect your Wi-Fi, same wireless, open your Chrome browser, and Safari browser, go to search option, search here to airdrop.net and the same. Okay, and you just wait a few seconds, then automatically connect device. This device connect iPhone and this device connect Android. So I'm just transfer Android to iPhone, or if you want to transfer iPhone to Android in the same process, press on, select file and select any image, audio and video. Like I'm select image. Okay, select and press on accept. Save image. So now I'm checking and showing it to recently saved. I'm recently saved this image.